Hi students, I am Cynthia from GEMS Polytechnic College. We are in lecture 29 part 2. Okay, so we are solving the problems based on long wall short wall method. Okay, so our subject is estimating and costing and our subject code is 1615503. Okay, so we are in lecture 29. So we have already solved some problems based on long wall short wall method. So we are solving one problem based on long wall short wall method. So we have seen the first three parts in the previous lecture. So in this lecture we are going to solve the other three parts. Okay, based on the next three parts. Okay, like DPC, how to take the quantity for DPC, then for how we can calculate the quantity for BBM masonry, then how we can calculate for quantity for mosaic tile flooring. Okay, so these three things we are going to solve in this lecture 29 part 2. Okay, so the next one, content of the lecture. So content is nothing but the long wall short wall method, that is the problems based on long wall short wall method. Okay, so the question we already know. The plan and the section is given in the question. We using this plan and the section, we need to calculate the quantity of items of work, and after calculating the quantity, we need to enter everything in the measurement sheet. Okay. So excavation we have already calculated. Then for PCC we have calculated. UCR we have already calculated. The first three portion we have already calculated. So in this lecture, we are going to calculate for DPC, then BB masonry, then mosaic tiled flooring in all rooms. Okay, so these are things, these three things we are going to solve using long wall short wall method in this lecture 29 part 2. Okay, so this is the plan of the this is a plan of a building. So we have three rooms. Okay, so kitchen, bedroom and living room. Then we have six windows. Then the windows dimension is given 1.0 by 1.2 meter. Then the door size is given 0.9 by 1.2 meter. So everything is given in question. Then the size of door and window frame. Okay, 100 by 80 So for if we for flooring like that, we need to add for door sill also. Okay, so that lower portion is called we call it as sill. Okay, so for door and window frame means that width we need to take for sill as width of sill. Okay, we're calculating for sill the width is 100 we need to take. Okay, that is 1 meter. So these are the things, these are the plan of a building. Then this one, this is a section of the building. So here everything is given. So here it is given for in this we need to calculate for DPC. Okay, so DPC it is clearly given the clearly given the breadth of the item. Okay, so breadth is in the image you can see. So breadth is 0.5, but PCC is 100 thick. So we need to minus that. So 0.45. Okay, so 0.45 is the width of DPC. Then for BBM masonry, the height or depth is given as 3000 mm. That is 3 meter. Okay, so it is given in the question. Then for BB masonry, we need to add the wall thickness. Okay, as a breadth 0.23. Okay, because brick. Okay, brick masonry, right? So we are taking just the wall thickness 0.23 as a breadth. Okay, then mosaic tile flooring. Okay, so now we are going to solve the problem. So next one we are going to find. So we are going to find for DPC. Okay, first one we are going to find for DPC in cement concrete 1 is to 2 is to 4, providing and laying with the compacting, curing, etc. Okay, so first one we are going to find for DPC. Okay, so we will just draw the diagram so that we can understand the length and the breadth. So breadth is 0.45. In the section diagram it is wrongly mentioned. Okay, so now that is not 0.43, 0.45. Okay, so this is the 0.45 is the breadth of the DPC. Then the thickness. Okay, so thickness here it they didn't mention. Okay, so if we gave also, we won't consider for height for DPC. Okay, so we're going to solve. We are going to solve for long wall. So for long wall, okay. So long wall is what we need to calculate length, okay. So first we need to calculate the length. So length equal to our formula we know, right? So L1 plus 0.45 the width, okay. So what will we get? L1 we know. So the answer will be of 7.41. Then for long wall L2. So L2 the same, L2 plus 0.45. So by adding L2 plus 0.45 we will get 4.68. Then for length for short wall minus we need to subtract. So S1 minus 0.45. So we will get 3.78. Then for S2 minus for short wall S2. Okay, so we will get 3.28. So this is the length. Then N. Okay, so N is we already seen, right? As L1 we have two sides, then one side, three side, two side. This is the N. So L we have found. Then breadth. Breadth is for everything 0.45 only. Then for DPC, the height. Okay, so height we won't take height for DPC because it is of so small and minimum value. Okay, so we won't consider. Then the quantity. Okay, so quantity we need to find. Okay, so quantity is what? Here it will come like 6.7. Then for L2 2.1. Then 5.1 approximately. I'm writing every value. Okay, so 2.9, you just calculate, you will get the value. Okay, so overall quantity for DPC we will get total quantity equal to 16.83 meter square we will get. Okay, so after that what we need to do the same we have already seen, right? We need to deduct for door. Okay, deduction for door. Okay, so we need to deduct for door. So D equal to, so N is what? There are three number of doors, so 3. Then breadth. Breadth is 0.45. Then length. Okay. So, so the door length is 0.9. Okay. So same the height we won't consider for DPC. So after multiplying everything, the quantity which is equal to we will get 1.215. Okay, so to get the net quantity, okay, net quantity of DPC, we need to subtract the total quantity minus the deduction. Okay, so 16.83 minus the or subtracting 16.83 and 1.215. So we will get 15.615. Okay, so this is the total quantity. Okay, so this is the total quantity of it. It will be in meter square because we are not considering the height, right, because it is so minimum. So for DPC the net quantity will be of 15.615 meters square. Okay, then the next one. So the second one, okay. So the second one is what? BBM masonry. Masonry. BB masonry in superstructure. BB masonry in superstructure. Okay. So we are going to calculate for this. First, we are going to draw the diagram. Okay. So BB masonry, brick masonry. Okay. So the breadth will be of 0.23, that is the wall thickness. These are the things which is given in section. Okay, I'm just splitting that only one part and I'm drawing. Okay, so height will be of 3, then the breadth will be of 0.23, that is a wall thickness. Okay, then first one we need to find for long wall. First one we are going to find for long wall. Okay, so long wall. So long wall equal to same formula, L equal to L1 plus the width of an item. So what will we get? 7.91. Then n equal to, we have two sides, then length, then breadth. Breadth is 0.23, then height we have already written, so 3.0. Okay, so we will get the quantity as 9.9. Okay, then the same for length. We need to calculate for L2. So this is for L1, this is for L2. Okay, so L2 also same procedure, L2 plus the 0.23. So we will get 4.46, then n is 1, then breadth will be of 0.23, the height is same. Okay, so the total, the quantity of L2 is 3.07. Okay, then for S1, short wall. Okay, short wall. So S equal to what? S1. For S1 we need to find. So how we can calculate for L? So S1 minus 0.23. So what will we get? We will get 4. Okay, then we have 3 sides. Other things are same. So we will get 8.28 is quantity. Then for S2. Okay, so for S2, length equal to S2 minus 0.23. So we will get 3.5. Then two sides N 0.23. Then 3.0 as height. Then quantity. Okay, quantity is 4.83. Okay, so the total quantity. So the total quantity. Okay, wow. So the total quantity is 26.10 meter cube we got. Okay, so after that what we need to do, we need to deduct for we need to deduct for opening, for door, window. Then after that we need to deduct for lintel also. Okay, so the first one, so first thing is we need to deduct for opening. Okay, we will see in the next slide. So we are going to deduct. Okay, so deduction for opening. So deduction for openings. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to find for door. Okay, so door B. So first N, then length, breadth, and height and quantity. For door we are finding. Okay, so length will be of, so we are just taking the taking the door length. Okay, so N, how many doors are there? We have 3 doors. Then length, so length is what? 0.9, the dimension of door. Okay, then the breadth is, we are taking the wall thickness 0.23. Then height. Okay, so these are things which is given in the question. So the quantity will be of 1.304, like that it will come. Then for window. Okay, so for window we have 6 windows. Then the length is 1.0, which is given in the question. Then breadth is 0.23, wall thickness. Then 1.2. Okay, so we are just writing the dimensions. Okay, so 6.5. So door, window over. So after that we need to deduct for lintels. Okay, deduction for lintel. Okay, so first one. So we need to deduct for lintel. First one is for door, then for window. Okay, so for door, so I have already told, right? So N, how many doors are there? 3 doors. Then length. For calculating length, what will be the formula? The width plus 2 multiplied by the that is the center line. Okay, so 2 multiplied by the thickness of the lintel. Okay, so the length. Okay, so length will be how much? 0.9 plus, that is the door size, plus 2 into 0.15. So what will we get? It will be equal to 1.2. Okay, then the breadth is 0.23 only. Then the lintel thickness. Okay, we will get some quantity. Quantity will be equal to 0 point something, 0.1. Okay, 0.12 for like that it will come. Then for window, okay, so for window also the same, how many windows are there? 6. Then the same procedure, okay. So the window size is 1, so 1 plus 2 multiplied by, so we will get 1.3, okay. Then 0.23, then 0.15, so we will get 0.269. So we need to add all these deductions, okay. So by adding all these deductions it will come like 3.35, okay. So after that what we need to do, we need to subtract from the first we have found, right, the quantity, okay. So net quantity equal to total quantity we already found in the previous image. So total quantity minus the deduction, okay. So what will we get? 26 minus 3.3, so it will come like 22.7 approximately, okay. So meter cube, okay. So this is the quantity of VB masonry, okay. So in this table, we just need to enter every details. So that's it for session. We have seen the problem based on long wall short wall method, the DPZ and BB masonry in this lecture 29 part 2. So in the next session, we will continue with the other problems based on other next part based on the same problem. So these are the books we need to refer. So that's it for today's session, lecture 29 part 2. So we will continue with the lecture 29 part 3. So with that we will complete this problem, okay. How we can do for calculate the quantity for mosaic tile flooring, then plastering, okay. So then RCC lintel. So these are things we're going to see in the next lecture, okay. Thank you.